Hi, in the previous lectures we've added our contact us page. Now, any user can send us a message from the contact us form. But let's take a look at our blog. First of all, make sure that you have your server running and you opened your local host. Now, if we navigate to our blog and we move down and we open any blog post and we move, we've enabled the tags, we've also enabled the comments. We've enabled the categories from here and the tags from here, but we forgot to enable the search. Now, if we type anything like post and if we hit search, nothing happens. And now we need to enable this search in our lecture. So let's start. First of all, make sure that you have your server running. Let's open our code, and now let's close all of this. And let's open blog and let's open templates, post detail, because we have this in our post detail page. So now we have, let's move down to get the search. This is our search form. So we need to enable this search in our view. But first of all, this search view, where we put it in our view, like this is our view code, we should put this search in our detail view or in our list view. We should put this in our list view. Let's take a look at our page. This search in our detail view, so we need to enable it in our detail view. But first of all, let's open Google and let's hit Django search queue. And here let's open our documentation. Let's move down. Yeah. So now we have complex lookup using a queue object. So first of all, we need to import queue. So here we need to import queue, and here we just imported queue. So we will listen to it in our view. So I'm gonna write our search function here. Search, yeah. And here, first of all, we have a post list. So I'm gonna say our query or our search query equal to request dot get, and we need to get the queue or the search keyword. This queue comes from our form. So here we need to give this input a name. So here I'm gonna say name equal to, and this is the queue. So we will listen to this queue in our view. Okay. And if there is a search query, if there is a search query, so we need to filter our post list with this query. So I'm going to say post list equal to post list dot filter, and we need to filter it using the queue lookup. So I'm going to say queue, and I'm going to say title underscore I contains equal to and the query that we retrieved. That's just like this. And let's save this and let's take a look at our form. We need to make sure that this form is valid or meets our requirements, first of all, this form or form tag should have a method, a get method. So I'm going to say method, and this is a get method because we need to take this information from our view, and we need to give it also a value equal to, and this value is our request dot get dot queue. Yeah, and we need also to connect this view with our URL. So we're gonna say URL, and we need to give it, first of all, it's blog underscore think post underscore list. Yeah, something like this. And let's try this. So let's try our view. First of all, let's make sure our server is running. Yeah, and here let's refresh our page. Now we are searching in a post title, so I'm gonna say let's open the blog first. We have two posts, one with name of cooking and a new food for cooking food. So we will search using cooking word. Let's hit enter. We've got an error, name title underscore I contains is not defined. So okay, let's review. But if we take a look at the URL, we can see question mark q equal to cooking. So the search form is working, but there is an error in our view. So here we need to go back to our view and let's review our view code. Let's open our models, and we have a model for title called title, yeah, for post called title. So okay, yeah, this is only one equal sign, yeah, just like this. So let's save our code and let's go back. Let's open the post detail, let's hit enter, and we've got name query is not defined. So yeah, this is a search query, not query, sorry. And let's go back, then let's hit cooking, and we've got two posts because we have the two posts title contains cooking word, and if we take a look at our URL we can see cooking. So let's add another post. So I'm gonna open /admin, and I'm gonna say let's open posts, let's add a new post. I'm gonna say let's say restaurant, the restaurant food, and here I'm gonna say new food. And then we're gonna take the author, the image, we need an image, so let's get an image. I'm gonna search for restaurant, and I'm gonna take this one, save it, and here in our admin let's choose this, yeah, and here the category, let's say food, and the tags I'm gonna choose this food. Let's hit save. So now we have a new post. So here let's open our blog. We have now three posts, one cooking, and this is restaurant food. There is no cooking in the title. So here let's open cooking and let's search for food. So here I'm gonna type food. Now we should see only one post, the new one, which we've added food. So now, yeah, this contains food in the title. So we've got two posts. this is new way for cooking food, and this is restaurant food. This is awesome. And let's review our code. First of all, we've imported the queue lookup django.db.models import queue. Then we said that we will listen for the coming information from our request, and we will search for queue word. And if this word is, if we got this word from our request, we will filter our posts using this word. And in our form, our search form, we give this form action, and we give it the URL for our post list because our code on our post list. Then we said that the method of this form is get, and make sure you've typed it get. And here we give this input a name of queue because we search for its name in our view. Here queue, and we give it also a value request or get.queue. This is because if we need to see the search word and so on. And now we need to search. We now search only for title, but we need to search more. We need to search in the description and so on. So here I'm gonna put a pipe, and here I'm gonna say queue. And in our models, the description of the post is content. So here I'm gonna say content __ I contains equal to, I'm gonna type search query, yeah, and let's save this. And here, if we open our blog, the three posts have the word of new, but this is the only one has a word of way. So we will search for this word way. So let's open this post, and here I'm gonna say way, and let's hit enter. We've got an error. Unsupported lookup I contains for text field or join on the field not permitted. Let's open this again. So it seems that we did not write I contains in a right way. So I contains here, something like this. So let's go back. So let's refresh our page, and we've got only one post that the content of this post contains way. So let's move back to our blog, and we need to search over tags. For every post there is some tags in here, so we need to search over tags. So I'm gonna say queue, and let's take a look at our models. There is tags, so I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna say tags __. We need to specify the tag name. So first, then __, then I contains equal to, and the search query. Yeah, like this. Let's save this, and here let's refresh our blog, and here for every post, let's open this restaurant food. It has only a tag for food, so let's search for food. This will search for the title and the tag, and here we should see we've got, oh my god, what this? So let's refresh this. This post have been repeated, and we've got this and this. So let's move in here, and let's type that this text like this, and let's save this. And here let's refresh our page. So we've got only 3 posts because this method will remove the duplicates. And here we've got 3 posts, and if you open this, we have food, and if we open this, we have food, and if we open this, we have also food in the title and in the tags. So now we can search in our blog using the title, the content, the tags, and you can specify any other thing like category and so on. So now the search is working, We need only to add our home. We now have our about us, our blog, our server table, our contact, and we have search by categories, by tags, and so on. So we need only to add the home of the site, and we will be done from our project. See you next lecture.